Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We had a terrible month if you're watching on my last video, but it is now the start of October, which means I get to share the dividends that came in for September. And it's always nice to see these starting to build up. Now I will be updating my spreadsheet as well. If you are looking for a just quick and easy dividend tracker, I will leave a link down in the description below to that video. It kind of goes over that spreadsheet and you can track your monthly dividends, but it also then breaks it down into the different quarters of the year. So just a handy way to track your dividends, because I know Wealthsimple doesn't really give you a good reporting on that in the app. It just kind of breaks it down month by month as you see your transactions. So let's just log in and I can show you. I've saved them here in the as a filter, and we'll go through. So we'll start at the beginning of the month. So the first one to come through was actually September 8th. That was BTC.Y on our shares. It was $4.48 on that one. The next one to come in on September 8th as well was our REI.UN. That's the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. We received $2.13. On September 9th, VDY did pay out, and that was a decent one this month actually, $10.49. September 15th, we then received $3.53 from SOT.UN. That's the Slate office REIT. That's the real estate REIT for office. And then on the 29th, we received BEP.UN. That's a quarterly dividend that they pay, and $5.03. We've started to kind of build up, or I started to build up that position, adding a few shares. So the next quarter, we should hopefully improve that a little bit. And the last one that comes in at the end of the month is RNW, TransAlta Renewables, $3.13. So grand total on that for the month of September was $28.79. So I'll go ahead and add that to the portfolio. And as you can see, you know, it's just slowly but surely building up. And we're just continuing to reinvest these into the portfolio. All right, not too bad to see these slowly building. The market is not the greatest, but dividends are still rolling in. Still going to be reinvesting those into those various shares, adding to the portfolio. I would love to hear in the comments below what was your best dividend for the month of September. So let me know down in the comments below what you received in your best performing stock or ETF for this past month. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It's always fun to share these little quick updates on how the portfolio is doing. Again, if you wanted to get that dividend spreadsheet, check out the link in the description below. Go check that out, add your dividends in there, see how you're doing. Nice to keep track of things. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will do another regular update video starting next week. So thanks for everybody that's been watching, leaving comments, and joining the channel. I really appreciate it.